हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम देखने वाले हैं इम्पोर्टेंट डेफिनेशंस ऑफ चैप्टर नंबर 3 काइनेटिक थ्योरी ऑफ गैसेस। डेफिनेशन के लिए 1 मार्क के लिए क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है। तो फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन देखेंगे, कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एमिशन दैट इज़ एमिसिविटी ऑफ ए बॉडी। ये जुलाई 22 का क्वेश्चन है। Coefficient of emission, that is emissivity of a body, is defined as the ratio of the emissive power of the body to the emissive power of a black body at the same temperature as that of the body. Second है emissive power of a body. जुलाई 22 का क्वेश्चन है, emissive power of a body at a given temperature is defined as the quantity of radiant energy emitted by the body per unit time per unit surface area of the body at that temperature. Third one है mean free path. The average distance traveled by a gas molecule with constant velocity between two successive collisions is called the mean free path. Fourth, root mean square speed of gas molecules. Root mean square speed of gas molecules is defined as the square root of the arithmetic mean of the squares of the speeds of all molecules of the gas at a given temperature. 5 number, molar heat capacity of a gas at constant volume. Molar heat capacity of a gas at constant volume is defined as the quantity of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 mole of the gas through 1 degree, that is 1 degree Celsius or 1 Kelvin, when its volume is kept constant. 6 number, molar heat capacity of a gas at constant pressure. Molar heat capacity of a gas at constant pressure is defined as the quantity of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 mole of the gas through 1 degree, that is 1 degree Kelvin or 1 degree Celsius, when its pressure is kept constant. 7 number, coefficient of absorption or absorptance. The coefficient of absorption or absorptance, or it is known as absorptive power of a body, is defined as the ratio of the quantity of radiant energy absorbed by the body to the quantity of radiant energy incident on the body in the same time. 8 number, coefficient of reflection, it is known as reflectance. The coefficient of reflection, that is reflectance, of the surface of a body is defined as the ratio of the quantity of radiant energy reflected by the surface to the quantity of radiant energy incident on the surface in the same time. 9 number, coefficient of transmission or transmittance. The coefficient of transmission, that is transmittance, of a body is defined as the ratio of the quantity of radiant energy transmitted by the body to the quantity of radiant energy incident on the body in the same time. अब देखेंगे चैप्टर नंबर 4 थर्मोडायनामिक्स की ये इम्पोर्टेंट डेफिनेशन। इंटरनल एनर्जी. Internal energy of a system is defined as the sum of the kinetic energies of the atoms and molecules belonging to the system and the potential energies associated with the interactions between these constituents, that is atoms and molecules. ये वन डेफिनेशन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है थर्मोडायनेमिक्स की। अब देखेंगे लेसन नंबर 5 ऑसिलेशन की इम्पोर्टेंट डेफिनेशंस. फर्स्ट वन इज पीरियोडिक मोशन, ए मोशन दैट रिपीट्स इटसेल्फ at definite intervals of time is said to be a periodic motion. Second number, oscillatory motion, a periodic motion in which a body moves back and forth over the same path, straight or curved, between alternate extremes is said to be an oscillatory motion. It is to and fro motion Oscillatory motion is a to and fro motion. Then third number, linear simple harmonic motion. Linear simple harmonic motion is defined as the linear periodic motion of a body in which the force on the body or its acceleration is always directed towards the mean position of the body and its magnitude is proportional to the displacement of the body from the mean position. Number 4. Period or periodic time of SHM. The time taken by a particle performing simple harmonic motion to complete one oscillation is called the period or periodic time of the SHM. 5 number, frequency of SHM. The number of oscillations performed per unit time by a particle executing SHM is called frequency of SHM. 6 number, amplitude of SHM. The magnitude of the maximum displacement of a particle performing SHM from its mean position is called the amplitude of SHM. 7 number, phase of SHM. Phase of a simple harmonic motion represents the state of oscillation of the particle performing simple harmonic motion, that is SHM. That is, it gives the displacement of the particle and its direction of the motion from the equilibrium position. The displacement of a particle in SHM is given by x is equal to a sine omega t plus alpha. The angle omega t plus alpha is called the phase angle or simply the phase of SHM. 8 number, ideal simple pendulum. An ideal simple pendulum is a heavy point mass suspended from a rigid support by a weightless, inextensible and twistless string and set of oscillating under gravity through a small angle in a vertical plane. Number 9. Seconds pendulum. A simple pendulum of period to second is called a seconds pendulum. Number 10. Angular SHM. Angular SHM is defined as the oscillatory motion of a body in which the restoring torque responsible for angular acceleration is directly proportional to the angular displacement and its direction is opposite to that of angular displacement. Number 11. Damp oscillations. Oscillations of gradually decreasing amplitude in the presence of dissipative frictional forces are called damp oscillations. These are the important definitions from lesson number 5, oscillations. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर से मिलेंगे न्यू लेसन के साथ. बाय बाय.